In this video, I'm going to show you how to add icons in a Prezi presentation quickly and easily. Icons are a great way to make your slides look more polished, more visual, and easier for your audience to understand at a glance. Whether you're building a business presentation, a school project, or a creative pitch, adding the right icon can help you communicate ideas much faster. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the Prezi presentation you want to edit. Once your presentation loads, make sure you're in the editing view so you can make changes to your content. This is important because the icon tools are only available when you're actively editing the presentation. Now, look at the top panel of the editor. You'll see several options there, and the one you want to select is the media option. Click on media to open the available content tools. This is where Prezi lets you add different types of visual elements to your presentation, including icons. After you click media, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select icons. Once you choose icons, Prezi will open the icon library and give you access to different ways to insert an icon into your presentation. At this point, you have two main options. You can either upload a local icon from your own device, or you can choose from the icon options shown on the right panel. If you already have a specific icon saved on your computer, uploading it is the fastest way to use your own custom visual. Just select the upload option, browse your files, and choose the icon you want to add. If you don't have your own icon file, you can simply browse the options in the right panel. Prezi provides a variety of icons you can use right away, which makes the process even easier. You can scroll through the available choices, pick the one that matches your presentation topic, and insert it directly into your slide. Once the icon is added, you can usually adjust its size and placement so it fits neatly into your design. Try to position it where it supports your content without distracting from it. A good icon should enhance the message, not overwhelm the slide. If you want your presentation to look more professional, stay consistent with the style of icons you use. For example, if your presentation is clean and minimal, choose simple icons that match that look. If your presentation is more creative or colorful, you can use icons that reflect that style too, and that's really all there is to it. You now know how to add icons in Prezi by opening your presentation, going to the media option, selecting icons from the drop-down, and then either uploading a local file or choosing one from the right panel. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how your presentation looks and feels. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials on Prezi and other software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.